Thanks for being here today as we celebrate this exciting milestone in the expansion of Mayo Clinic's Prospect Utility Plant, the installation or topping off of the final steel beam.
I've been doing construction for 30 years, and it always amazes me how many people, how many teams it truly takes to get to this point.
Beyond the significance of today, this milestone reflects Mayo Clinic and Rochester's long-held position as a leader in healthcare energy innovation. Today, Mayo Clinic is entering a new era of energy innovation with Bold Forward Unbound, a once-in-3-generation investment to modernize the built healthcare environment and bring the future of care to patients across all Mayo Clinic campuses. As we build nearly 2 million square feet of new construction across our Rochester campus, we are doing so in a way that is both reliable for our patients and as good stewards for the environment. Central to this work is the strategic planning for the sustainable, reliable energy sources that will power Mayo Clinic for the next century. The steam energy, chilled water, and electricity that will be produced at this facility will power our campus expansion and continue Mayo Clinic's ability to offer Category of 1 care here in Rochester. This expansion of the Prospect Utility Plant is the foundation for the sustainable energy future we are building here in Rochester. Today's steel beam topping off marks an incredible leap of progress toward this future. We are grateful to the many teams and individuals who have worked tirelessly to bring us to this milestone. Days like today are all about celebrating what can be accomplished through teamwork, respect, stewardship, and innovation.
What an amazing experience to partner with the City of Rochester, not only on this project, but all of Unbound. It's just been a wonderful, wonderful partnership. I think we should continue to recognize our patients, our staff. It's hard to see through construction barriers. It's hard to see through caution tape, but to thank them for the grace and the patience. Hopefully they see that we're building for the future. Hopefully they see that we are keeping the needs of the patient first. So I can't thank them enough for just their grace.